Hi guys, today I'm at the Organic Lounge here in South Park, which is located in South Trinidad. The exact directions will be down in the description box for you guys. So I'm gonna take you guys inside so you can see what they have, what drinks, and everything is organic. And they also have a breakfast menu with some really delicious items. So let's head on in. Let me share with you guys what they have in store for you.
You can also try our vegan cupcakes, muffins, and brownies.
Also available are all vegan and gluten-free cupcakes, muffins, and brownies. We have banana nut, chocolate chip, these are the brownies. This is the lemon poppy seed. Here we have the chocolate chip banana. We have cupcakes. The coffee is a freshly brewed organic Turkish Arabica blend, which is absolutely delicious. So you definitely need to try this coffee. It's not too strong and it's not too mild.
Drink. She would drink if she had
So we're adding the pineapple.
Red apples now?
Red apples. Or
If not, there's also almond milk as well.
oh, okay, great. So there is the coconut milk, non-dairy,
And
and
the almond. And then there's the dairy, which is this one I'm about to pour in here.
all right. Okay, so let's pour. So we added in some chia seeds, and we're going to be putting in.
The main ingredient of this drink would be the hemp protein.
Ah, okay.
It's beneficial.
This is the healthy stuff. Okay, so we're going to put some. What's this we're doing it now?
This is the raw unprocessed cane sugar. It's
Nice.
also known as Tobago.
Oh, nice. Okay, so it's gonna get loud. This is the pineapple twister about to be blended. We all done?
Yes, we are.
Let's see what it looks like. So here we have our pineapple twister. Let's try this. Okay, it's really good. It's actually really good. Nice. So let's see what else we're gonna do now. We're gonna make our choc fusion. All right. So let's try this.
Mix our almond here. So first we add the alcohol water, as you see here. Before we use about half scoop of almonds for a smoke. Because I don't want your drink to be tasting too much of almonds. And secondly, we're going to add. So now we're going to add our raw Peruvian cacao. This has many health benefits. Has a lot of iron and magnesium as well, which is good for your heart and your brain.
They're not using dairy milk, but I got the same amount of calcium as the almond milk.
And I'll pass you on the Sasha.
So yes, you would, because raw Peruvian cacao actually has more calcium than your average cow's milk. So So if you notice, we added a little more sugar than on the average smoothie because the raw Peruvian cacao is more bitter. So we need a little more sugar to counteract that bitter taste.
Natasha.
The cacao is actually very strong, so you don't need as much of it.
Okay, so Shastra, give us a little history of how the Organic Lounge came about.
So in November 2016, we decided to go into retail. South Park was launched, and this was my brainchild, from the decor to the design to products. We decided to launch this for the public so that they have an open system where they could select what they want, choose what they want, and be privy to a variety of products. So these books mark the start of our local leg of the book club. It was donated by Mr. Nigel Khan, so we were very grateful for it. So y'all could come by. We are intending to start to do actual open reading nights, so we will let you know when we start that. So subsequent to the great reviews we had from the dry powders exercise, we decided to start sampling. So we began with Astra Girls, then we went to Astra Boys, we went to Naparima as well for their bazaars, and we had a tremendous outpouring of support. People demanded variety, so we then decided to get straight into retail. I always had faith in the product, and it was a market that hadn't been really tampered with, especially in South. Many persons didn't know what comprised the term organic. They didn't know where to start with having an organic diet. They didn't know where to source material, so we decided to provide that change to society. In October 2016, there was an 11-night event in Palmy Park, and we set up a booth there, and from there we derived a lot of feedback from what customers would have wanted. So we took all that into account. We met with a team of dietitians who endorsed our products, and they verified nutritional content for all our drinks. And the vibe we aim to give our customers is something completely different. It's supposed to be something eclectic. So you come into the place and it's a totally different space. It's a different scent, it's a different visual, there's a different kind of music, and we really try to be something tucked away that's right in front of your eyes, but something tucked away where you can escape the real for a little while. In trying to keep up with that objective, we introduced something completely different to the Organic Lounge. It doesn't only incorporate smoothies and vegan meals, but we try to get a holistic experience. So I always had a knack for painting, and I decided why not try to incorporate it into the lounge. It's something amazing when you bring two passions together. Creativity is something that stems from a pure place, so we try to get our public to feel that from us. So we have sip and paint sessions that is usually carded once a month unless we have private requests. It's really good for a mom's birthday, a bachelorette, a bridal shower. We really encourage adults especially, although it's targeted at persons of all ages. We try to target adults to come out to these sessions because they usually get so caught up with their everyday bustle that they forget to take time to explore their creativity. So it's a really nice time to just stop, slow down, interact with people around you, and live in the present moment. And you never know what talents you have within you. So that's for our sip and paint classes. We also do Zumba sessions, Zumba parties, where we have at least 12 instructors from all over Trinidad coming in South Park's Breezeway. And it's so fun, it's so energetic, and we try to encourage people to come to that and balance their life.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of Taste of the Town, and until next time, enjoy!